Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on betafinance. Beta has broken out a very big channel on the daily time frame. And in today's video, I want to discuss the next expected move with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line was moving in a very long down channel. It was entered in this channel here on 8th of October, and we had so many rejections by the resistance and the touch points at the support as well. Even though the price line was touching the supports more than the resistance, but the price line eventually has broken out this resistance of the down channel, and at the same time it has also broken out the resistance of exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21 on the daily time frame. We can see that previously it was struggling to break out these two EMAs, but it was again and again getting failed, and finally it has broken out together the exponential moving averages and this resistance of the channel as well. Now these two supports, these two moving averages can break as a very strong support for the price line, and the final bullish signal that we can receive by these two EMAs is when this exponential moving average 10 will cross up the exponential moving average 21, because when the smaller time frame moving average crosses up the bigger time frame moving average, that produces a rally to the upside. And in this situation we have the EMA 10. If it will cross up the EMA 21, then both can provide a very strong support, and we can have a long-term rally as well. But there is a one critical thing on this chart. If we take a look at the RSI, then we can see that RSI is forming higher than previous high. But if we watch the price line, it is forming a lower high than previous high. So there is also a hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame, even though we are out of a very big resistance. But this is a bit critical that we are having a hidden bullish divergence. Therefore, I'm expecting that the price line may retest the previous resistance as a support. We will have a pullback, and after this retest we will have a further move to the upside. Now if we talk about the next targets, our next targets can be our next resistance levels. For example, we have a very strong resistance here approximately at 77 cents, and the price line is close to that resistance, and the next target can be approximately here at $1.50. Then we can set our next target $2.40, and this can be the final target. And during this rally the price line can break out this target as well, this resistance that is at $4.50, and the stop loss can be here. That is a recent swing low before this breakout, that is approximately at 41 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.